Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So, to get started, we want to swipe down from the top of our screen, and in here you'll find a bunch of toggles, one of them being the screen recorder, which you can see right over here. Now once you see, you can just simply tap on this. I'm going to turn off the mic, which is enabled by default, so whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device, as it is recording right away. Now I am going to open up one of the applications that doesn't want to be recorded, just so I can showcase how dogshit this is. And I want to also stress this, that I have not installed this application myself. I have not agreed to the terms of service of this application, nor do I even have an account, or have I signed in to this dogshit. Now this will matter in a moment when I close this up and stop the recording. But you can do so by obviously clicking on that timer right there. When you stop the recording, it will automatically get saved to your gallery application. And we are looking for videos, and I think this one will be it, right? Yep, I think this is the one. So keep in mind, after this shows up, we get absolutely nothing. There was no notification letting us know. I have not given this dogshit permission to do anything like this. So basically the application decides what I can record on my own phone, which, if it sounds like a absolute bullshit thing for a corporations that do their BS deals for like pre-installed applications, to decide what you can record on your phone to be blatant violation of your personal rights and, well, your device that's supposed to be yours, then you'd be damn right. So because of that, because of bullshit like this, I'm gonna give you a little snippet of an information. If you're planning to pirate content by recording it, you're doing it wrong. And the right way to do it would be to download something like CloudStream from GitHub at a repository, and from now on you can watch literally every show for free. You can thank me later. So anyway, utilize that instead of trying to use screen recorder. And to you, Netflix, don't try to block me from recording it. I'll do whatever I want. So anyway, with that being said, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.